Hi everyone, welcome once again to the Android Kenya channel, and today we are looking at this. This is the latest member of Tecno's Spark 9 series. This is the Tecno Spark 9T. It is one of three devices that we know in the Tecno Spark 9 series. There is the Tecno Spark 9C, which is the device that comes below this. Then there is this, the Spark 9T, and then there is the Spark 9 Pro. This is going for 19,800 shillings, and then the Spark 9C is going for 15,600 shillings, and then the biggest sibling, the eldest sibling, the Tecno Spark 9 Pro, is going for 20,900 shillings, so almost 21,000 shillings. Tecno is billing this device as the best for the Generation Z, and it's bringing with several upgrades, as we are going to see. This gets the Helio G85 chipset, which we have seen in Tecno and Infinix devices that are of a higher caliber, i.e. they target the more mid-range of their consumers, and not really the entry level to the lower mid-range that the Spark series has catered to. Without further ado, let's unbox this and see what you get when you spend your 19,800 shillings on this device. Here we go. So here is our device. We are coming back to it shortly. Is our 13-month warranty sticker. Tecno has moved to 25 months warranty for the Camon 19 series. That's what you're getting on the standard Camon 19 and the Camon 19 Pro. Look out for their reviews on androidkenya.com soon, and check out the unboxing videos on YouTube too. Here we get a nice case with, not sure if this is being captured by the camera given the angles and the lighting, but with Spark branding, looks nice. Here is your SIM tray ejector pin. You get a pair of earphones, and then yes, we've moved fully to Type-C for the Spark series, so you get USB Type-C, and here is your charging brick. So if you are to closely examine this, there is no fast charging really. The output is 2 amperes, 5 volts, so yeah, you need fast charging, you need to move up Tecno's ladder. Much as they've brought several upgrades, you are getting a very good chipset here. We're also getting a high refresh rate display. We're also getting a very good camera. We're having 50 megapixels on the front, at the back, and we're having a 32 megapixel selfie camera, as you can see indicated here. So they're still reserving some of the best for devices high up the food chain. So let's put these aside. Let's come to our device. So the branding here indicates what you're getting: a 90 Hz refresh rate, HD plus dot notch display, 6.6 inches, and then we're getting a Helio G37. The G85 that I've talked about is there, but that's on the Spark 9 Pro. On the Spark 9T, we're getting a Helio G37 processor. We're getting a 5,000 milliampere battery. They're calling it super battery. And of course, the charging port down here is Type-C. And then there's memory fusion. What that means is RAM expansion, basically. So the RAM that it comes with, you can expand it to a little bit more by 3 or whatever number of gigabytes here. And it uses the part for the internal storage. And then there's a 13 megapixel AI enhanced triple camera. Now this is the Spark 9T. The 13 megapixel AI enhanced camera is what you get here at the back, and the 32 megapixel camera is here on the selfie front, and then the 50 megapixel that I've talked about triple is what you'll get on the Spark 9 Pro. Hope we're clear on that. So let's remove this. There we go. So here's our device. Here is our device in all its blue and blue. if I got that right. No, it's Burano Blue. Here is our device in all its Burano Blue glory. It shines, it sparkles, and this looks like it will be a fingerprint magnet. We'll see that with usage. You can check out our review to see how that went. And then there's a stop at nothing branding here, Tecno Spark branding here, and then we are getting this design that has been carried over from the Camon 19 series, so it's nice. So here is your 30 megapixel sensor and the two accompanying sensors, and here's your quad LED flash, and up front here is your 32 megapixel selfie camera, and then this is that 6.6 inch display, HD plus. So not without any further ado, down here we have your Type-C port. There's a mic here, there is a headphone jack, speaker. On the side we are getting our power on off button and fingerprint sensor, volume down, volume up. Up top it's very clean, and then on the side here is our SIM tray. So let's power it on and see what you're getting on the Tecno Spark 9T, specifically the 9T. I know we've talked about the series a lot. So here is our home screen, the Tecno Spark 9T. This is what Tecno's iOS 8.6 Android 12 looks like. We are getting the Ella voice assistant. Then these are the pre-installed apps: Boom Play, High Translate, Soul Play. Soul Play is new. Then there's Phone Master, basically the usual stuff if you're used to Tecno's devices. There's the Spot app, the Phone Cloner app. If you are coming from another device, a Tecno device or whatever, you can use this to bring all your data and all. There's the High Party app, and there's a Smart Scan, which is interesting to include. And then the icons have received some rework. The File Manager app looks nice. And then here we should be coming to the zero screen. You get this as standard on Tecno and Infinix devices. Comes part and parcel of the iOS launcher. And then these are the smart scenes that we've started to see. Yeah, the camera icon is also getting some love, and that's the e-warranty notification. So these are the features you get on the camera. You can do slow-mo, you can check specific documents dedicated mode, so that your text pops. For instance, if you are taking photos of documents, you can do time lapses, you can do augmented reality shots, portraits, panorama. Yeah, pretty much. Nothing else I believe I've missed. Yeah, so there's that. And then the settings. Yeah, so that's that. Let's go into the quick settings menu. This is how it looks like on Android 12 on iOS 8.6, and let's go straight into the settings to see the display settings specifically. And here is our screen refresh rate. It's set to auto switch, so depending on what application and use case you are on, it will switch between the standard 60 Hz and the high 90 Hz, which is good. Or you can pin it at 90 for more smooth animations, but that will drain your 5000 mAh battery faster, I want to believe. And then, or you can pin it at the standard refresh rate and enjoy more juice, since this device takes quite a bit to charge. Yeah, that's all about the Tecno Spark 9T. We'll be having rolling coverage of this device. It's just been unveiled, and there's Octopizos, his brand ambassador, and so many things. We'll be covering all of those, specifically focusing on this device and its place in Tecno's ecosystem, how it compares to other Spark series devices, especially its predecessors and the Spark 9C and the Spark 9 Pro. And obviously the competition. We are shooting this video on the backdrop of HMD Global announcing a new Nokia device in the Kenyan market that is going for almost 16,000 shillings and has quite the inferior specs. So we'll see how it works with this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time.